Today we're going to be drawing a pilgrim boy to go with our pilgrim girl from the other day. So let's go ahead and jump over there and get started. All right, Thanksgiving's coming up, so let's go ahead and start with our pilgrim. A little half circle there. And the top of the hat. Do is we're going to put just a little buckle in there, a little big square and then a small square. All right, go ahead and draw the pilgrim's face. A little bit of hair, a little half circle for the ears. Then let's go ahead and put that face in there. Put a little U shape for the nose and then a stretched out U shape for the mouth. Right, next, we're gonna have a little pilgrim shoulder pads, I call them. Draw his arm coming down. Shirt coming down. We're going to go ahead and draw his other arm with a little bit of a wave. There's a little hand, thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, and then on the other one, thumb, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. Let's go ahead and draw his pants. Almost like a little rectangle. And we'll draw his socks. And we'll draw his shoes. And then put some buttons on his coat. We'll put a little line for his ear. And then next, we're gonna go ahead and color. Now you can put whatever color you want to here with your pilgrim. We're gonna go Now, let's go ahead and switch things up a little bit. Let's get rid of this black. Let's say that we'll make the little buckle up there a yellow or a gold. We'll leave the part around his hat white. And then what color do we want to make his hair? I'll tell you what, let's make it red. Socks that day. Let's say that his mom picked them out for him. He had blue socks because they were the only clean pair that they had. All right. So that's our pilgrim, and remember, every time we finish a picture, we go ahead and just sign our name at the